Nice. Hello you beautiful people. We are building some headlights, modifying some headlights. I'm not the best at electrical stuff. It just goes right over my head, but I know the basics. Let's see how well I can do this. Let's go get the headlights there right behind me here. We're gonna work on the table and then we're gonna open them up and all that good stuff. So stay tuned, keep watching the video if you want to modify your headlights and see how I do it. Before I start on this video, go ahead and do us a favor and smash that subscribe button down below and keep watching our videos and see what this car turns out to be. These are the headlights we are going to be customizing. Just going to go with the full black housing inside. I was planning to hydro dip the inside, but it's very pricey. I didn't realize how pricey it was until I got a quote, and it was about $700-800 to do all these small parts. So yeah, we are not going to do that. I also just got these LED strips here that are a sequential LED strip, which we'll be putting inside. So it'll be a daytime running light and a sequential indicator. I opted out for the hexagon halos. These hexagon halos are RGBW, and then we also have STIR lenses. This here is a STIR lens with a hexagon etched into it, just at the back there. These, compared to the OEM, these don't have any restriction on light output, so this will provide extra light output over the OEM ones. Make sure you don't touch these with your bare hands, because fingerprints and oils and stuff will transfer over to it, and yeah, that's no fun. Just put this back because I know how I am, and will probably damage it if it's not wrapped up. I've also got some extra butyl rubber sealant to seal everything in here. Let's get these open and let's get started. Things that I want to take off are just small plastic bits that I think will melt, as well as there is all these screws that are holding the two pieces together. Usually what I like to do is take out all the bulbs and everything. Alright, so to actually open these up, you can put them in your kitchen oven if these fit in the oven. If not, I'll show you this other way. What I have here is just a box, any normal box. It's a box, and just stick your headlight in there. You close this up, you just stick a heat gun in the side, or this side, or the front. Just make sure it's not directly pointed at the actual headlight. Use some gloves, please. Please use some gloves, because if not, you are going to burn yourself, and don't blame me. Okay, cool. There is these tabs here that lock it in, so you just have to push these tabs away from the actual lock itself. You might need a flathead screwdriver just to loosen those tabs, and so you can pull this apart. Alright, so we dismantled everything in the headlight that we are going to work on and paint and everything. So everything's pretty much held in by small screws. Going to need to tape around this lens here. All we're painting is just this, so we have to tape around that. Let's get to painting and let's black out these housing units parts. I'm excited now. I'm actually very excited now. This is kind of daunting me with the wires and everything I need to do, but hey, this part is what I like, to completely transform something by yourself. Ugh. All right, let's get to it. Pieces are done, everything is inside, everything is blacked out. Probably going to leave everything in the box just so it can actually dry properly. Start the wiring and putting everything in tomorrow. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Another day in the garage. Looks very, very nice. All the housing bits together and just see what it actually looks like together in one piece. This is what it'll look like when it's all done. Plus more, plus more. So let me figure this out first and then I'll get back to you guys, because this might take a while, but yeah, I'm just trying to see where I can route everything and see what I need to do first, see if I need to make extra holes or if I need to do extra stuff. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys once I've figured this whole thing out and figured a plan out. Alright, I'll be right back. I think I have figured where everything is going to go. Tinkering about and see where everything will be going and what I need to do and everything. So I'm going to have to drill a hole into this actual projector shroud here, somewhere along here, just so I can feed the wires through. I have now learnt something called de-pinning the wires to the actual connector. Okay, I am learning. So I did drill this hole right there, right here. Yes, I did de-pin this. Having a look at it and I was like, how are these inside the connectors? And then I saw these like silver bits inside and I'm like, I'm sure that's like a flange or like a thing that you can push down, then you can pull it out. Pretty happy with how this turned out. If you like how this looks, smash that subscribe and like button down below, because man, I've been putting time into this, eh? I just want everything in, everything done on both sides today, so yeah, I'm just going to smash all this out. It's time to change these projector lenses. They're only held on by small little screws. Much held on by these two Phillips screws here. Pretty sure, because this is the only thing that wraps around and is holding this in place. These are on really tight. This here is the OEM lens. A couple things with the OEM one. I forgot the name, I forgot what it's called, but it starts with an F. I don't know. If you know, put it down in the comments below. These do restrict the light output for these headlights. The ones that I got are a STIR clear lens. That opens up a lot better for the light output. I mean, they do the job, but they aren't the best. If you have noticed your headlights on your 370Z, they're not the brightest, they're not the greatest light output. This here is your high beam. It's just a small flap, literally a tiny flap. I'm just gonna put this back into its shroud, just like this. Just my OCD, I want everything in a line. In the middle of wiring everything up, and so with the LED strip, so I snipped this bit off and this bit, connected it together just like that by cheating by the solder sleeves. Used these before and they're actually really great. They're actually really handy. Yes, that might be cheating, but hey, we out here being professional. I don't think I'll have time to start the left side. I'm just going to complete this right side because everything is practically the same on the left side. So I just wanted to show you guys the finished product on the right side, complete finished product. Once I finish the left side, I'll put them in the car at a different video and I'll show you guys what it looks like. We have to keep moving with all the other parts. I need to fit the wing this weekend. So yeah, that video will be out next week. Probably use alligator clips, these like these quick splices. Again, cheating, yes I know, but hey, the yellow one for indicator and the earthing one as well. I'll just piggyback off this indicator, and red one's for the daytime running light, so I'll run that down to the park light, which is down here. I use the same ground wire for the indicators, the park lights. It's a green with black stripe for this to here, but the park light is a solid green. What a day! What a day! Oh, my neck. Ouch. Not the sort of progress that I was hoping I'd get today. At least one is completely finished. I still have to clean it up. That's what the headlights look like. I just have to connect this into the Bluetooth reader type thing, which I need to mount into the car. Fully customized it. Black housing, LED strip, honeycomb lens, and a a hexagon halo. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button down below and like the video as well. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, hope you guys are enjoying this 370Z build, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.